I literally just got done editing this, and you guys are going to love it. But the sad part is, I got a bunch of ads, and I had to turn down my volume. And with the Heather song, I did have to cut it off, but then we got an ad, so I had to wait for the ad to stop. And yes, I'm listening to Fox on the Run. That is going to be featured in one of the other videos tonight I'm doing. But yeah, I might do one tomorrow when I wake up. But just so you know, it's going to be kind of short because I only have 20 minutes timed until I have to go to school. But yeah, love you guys and enjoy this video, please. Hello, my beautiful people. So this is gonna be a repost because the video, like the Rags listener video I did, which never got posted for some reason. I don't know why. It just did not get posted. I'm sorry. So this is a remake. So I guess let's get into the video. Okay, so it was a rainy day in Gracefield. You and Ray and Emma and Norman went outside and y'all just decided to play in the rain. This is fun, listener. This is so fun, right? It's so fun. I just love it. Yeah, it's actually pretty nice. Where's listener? Oh, they went off with Ray, Norman. Oh, okay. So, you and Ray were sitting under a tree because, y'all just didn't want to be like Emma and Norman. As y'all were sitting under the tree, Ray just decided to, put you on his lap for some reason. What am I doing, listener? Oh, I just want you to sit on my lap right now. No, it's nothing weird. Oh, shut up. It's pretty cold outside. Are you not cold? You're fine? Okay. I just wanted to make sure before you catch a cold or anything. Of course, I don't want you catching a cold. I'm not crazy like Emma is. I'm really not. Don't. Listener, we were sitting under a tree peacefully until you just decided to get up. Why? Okay. Because you can, okay. Oh, no. I'm not trying to go splash around in puddles with you. I'm not trying to. What do you mean you're gonna break up with me if I don't? Listener, please. Listener, don't turn your back on me. Please, I don't wanna go. I really don't wanna go. I have to? That's not fair. What do you mean it is? How is it fair? It is not fair. It's not fair. I don't want to go. Listener, please. Listener. Please, listener. Why can't we just stay where we are right now and not go anywhere? What do you mean that we have to stay here? Listener, okay, fine, I'll go out in the rain with you, but I swear, if I catch a cold, it's your fault. How is it gonna be your fault? Because you dragged me into this mess. Oh my god. No. Please. Listen, you're gonna fall. No, please. Listener, stop it. Stop it. Listener, no. Please, listener. You're gonna get me all wet. What do you mean I'm already all wet? Oh, wait, that's right. No. Honey, baby. Come on, it's time to go inside. What do you mean that we can't go inside? We have to. Because Emma and Norman are already inside and they're getting dried off. You're gonna get a cold, babe. Oh my god, come here. Okay, so Ray drags you inside, like he grabs you by the arm and just drags you inside. Come on, let's go. No, I'm not playing your games no more. Come on. I'm not playing your games. Let's go. Come on. So, while you guys are inside, Ray gives you a towel. Here. And don't tell Mom about this, please. She's gonna get worried about us. Because she's gonna say that we're going to catch a cold, even though we know that we are gonna catch a cold. Yeah, it's not. It's really. It's actually pretty obvious. What do you mean? What do you mean it's not that obvious? Oh, no, it is obvious, honey. Babe. Please, just... Come on, just why can't... This is not fair. You're gonna tell Mom, even though you and Emma practically dragged me and Norman to go outside with y'all. We didn't. You did. Don't make that face at me. I didn't do nothing wrong. What do you mean? What do you mean I did? Oh, shut up. Come on, let's go. No, we're going to bed. It's night. What do you mean that you don't want to go to bed? Come on, we have to go to bed. Listener. Come on, let's go. Just come on. Come here, I'll cuddle you. Oh, I don't care if you're not tired. I am, so we're going to bed. No, listener, we're going to bed. Good night, listener. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and I'm gonna be filming my stuff like while I'm sitting up because I was like listening to my intro and stuff, and I just found out there's good quality when I stood up doing it. But some of the songs I know cut it off because it's stupid, and I had a bunch of ads. But yeah. yeah, I'm gonna edit this now. We're gonna see how it turns out.